Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Dropbox notifications private on your phone's lock screen, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to hide the default notification content from Dropbox so that no one else can see the details without unlocking your phone. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open your device's Settings app. This is where we manage all app permissions and notification preferences. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on the Apps section. Here, you'll see a list of all installed apps on your device. Next, find and tap on Dropbox from the list of apps. This opens the app-specific settings panel. Now, tap on Notifications to control how Dropbox alerts you. Within Notifications, tap on Notification Categories. This will show you the different kinds of notifications Dropbox can send. Look for the default category and tap on it. You'll see various options related to how notifications appear. Tap on the lock screen setting. Here's where you can choose what shows up on your phone's locked display. To protect your privacy, select the option to hide content. This means the notification will still alert you that something new happened, but won't show any details unless you unlock your phone. And that's it. Now your Dropbox notifications will arrive silently on your lock screen without revealing sensitive information. This simple adjustment keeps your data secure while still keeping you informed. Remember, these steps can help you control notification privacy not only for Dropbox, but for many other apps on your phone. Feel free to customize your settings for any apps where you prefer to keep content hidden on the lock screen. Thanks for watching.